Ciao a tutti. Hey everybody, Ashley Bachani here, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this Queen Atlanna inspired hair and accessory look from the movie Aquaman. Let's dive right in. First thing you're going to do is separate your bangs in the front of your face. Kind of pull down a couple pieces to frame your face as needed. And then you're going to be pulling back some of the hair to make this tiny little poof on top of your head, like so. Secure the top of your little poof with a couple bobby pins. Next thing you're gonna do is drag your fingers behind your poof. You're gonna grab a section of hair and you're gonna be making a regular 3-strand braid. If you wanna add a hair extension piece here, like a 1-inch weft, that's totally fine if you wanna make your braid a little bit thicker. So go ahead and just do a regular 3-strand braid all the way down. And then secure your braid with an elastic. And now you can leave your hair just like this, a simple braid of so, but I want the illusion of a thicker braid, so go ahead and pull on those pieces to give it that look. The next step is you're gonna grab a piece of your hair kind of right by your ear, about 1 inch, and you're gonna be making one braid here. In the movie, she does have this part separated into 2 braids, but again, for this look, I'm just gonna be doing 1 braid. So finish your 3-strand regular braid, secure with an elastic, and pull on those pieces to make them a little thicker, and do the same thing on the other side. Again, this definitely does not have to be perfect. Remember, Atlanna is in and out of the water, so the messier the better. So the next thing we're gonna do is take that big braid in the back and move it forward in front of your face, because we're gonna take these 2 side braids and secure them pretty high up, as high as you can tuck them in behind that big braid, and secure them with a bobby pin. And you did it! Here's the hairstyle look of Queen Atlanna. Now you're ready to take on the sea. So now I'm gonna add these mermaid scale tattoos that I bought at Riley Rose for about $7. Go ahead and cut out some of these scales to put on your face, and take a wet washcloth and hold that in place for the tattoo for about 10 seconds for it to stick. You could add these wherever you like, put as much or as little as you want. I kind of scattered these and put some on my forehead, my upper cheek, and some on my neck. And you're a queen, so of course you need your crown. This is one of my favorite crowns. I wear it a lot. I got it at crownsandreese.com. I'll put the info below so you guys can check it out. They come in all different colors and shapes and styles. So any crown will do, but I love this one. All right, now you guys are ready to rule the ocean. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun showing you this tutorial. Take care, guys. Ciao.